Introducing tummy time to your newborn is an exciting step in their development journey. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience enjoyable and beneficial for your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you get started. Begin tummy time as soon as your baby comes home from the hospital. Start with short sessions, just a few minutes at a time, 2 to 3 times a day. Gradually increase the duration as your baby becomes more comfortable and stronger. Choose a time when your baby is alert and content. Avoid tummy time right after feeding to prevent discomfort. A soft blanket on a firm surface is ideal for these sessions. Always supervise your baby closely to ensure their safety. Engage with your baby during tummy time. Get down to their level, make eye contact, and talk or sing to them. This interaction not only makes tummy time enjoyable, but also strengthens your bond. Use toys and mirrors to capture your baby's attention. Place them just out of reach to encourage your baby to lift their head and reach forward. This helps develop their neck, shoulder, and arm muscles. If your baby seems fussy or frustrated, try different positions. You can place them on your chest or across your lap for a change of scenery. Remember, patience is key. Every baby progresses at their own pace. Tummy time can come with its challenges, like fussiness or resistance. If your baby struggles, try shorter sessions more frequently throughout the day. Celebrate small achievements and be consistent. Introducing tummy time is a rewarding process that supports your baby's physical development. With practice, patience, and encouragement, you'll help your baby build the strength they need for future milestones. Remember, every baby is unique, so find what works best for you and your little one.